For opening an Excel file, take the mouse, click on Start menu, move the cursor a little bit upper. You can find All Apps, click on that. If you are using Excel frequently, the Excel will appear under Most Used. Otherwise, all the tools are arranged in an alphabetical order. So find out E. Under E, you can view Excel. Click on this and click on Blank Workbook. Excel is ready to work. And by default, the name of this file is Book1. After this, if you want to save this file, go to File. There is an option to save. Click on Save. Browse the location. Select Desktop. Name the file Excel1 and save it. You can view that the name is changed to Excel1. And for closing, click on Close and you can view Excel1 over here. Another easiest method to open an Excel file is using your keyboard. Press Start key on your keyboard. Type Excel. You can view Excel app here. Enter. Again enter. Your Excel is ready to work. And for saving this Excel, you press Ctrl S in your keyboard. Rename as Excel2. More option. Browse. Select the location Desktop. And already we have typed Excel2 and you save it. You can view Excel2 over here. Just close it. Excel2 saved in the desktop.